Come check this out with me. We're about to leave Singapore. They're having a party up on the deck that we might go check out, but we have a balcony of our own, so I feel bad leaving it.
The next day, we took a break from the endless onslaught of food to go check out our first port of call, Penang.
Talk us in and say welcome to Penang.
Welcome to Penang.
Talk to me, Goose.
Hi. Oh, well, we're 3 minutes after closing time at the largest Buddhist temple in Southeast Asia, which is too bad, but we can still see a lot of it from outside. Apparently we should have been here earlier.
6 minutes earlier.
I'm sure the view from over there is amazing of the city and of town, and this should have been what we were doing for the past 2.5 hours. Travel is so hard.
It was amazing. We saw everything. It was so great. I feel more spiritual.
Yeah.
So,
Right
what?
there.
30? It was 30 out here. Are we going right back to the port?
Well, we should walk around like this and then walk around so the cable car is broken and this is closed.
Who knows if the cable car's even open at night? We're gonna get there at sundown.
No, he
said it was broken.
head back to the cruise ship, I suppose. We walked around Little India, which was actually pretty cool. So our parents' first stint in Southeast Asia was walking around Little India and Penang. Good for them. You guys are great. Yes. Yeah.
After spending the first stop running around busy Penang trying to see as much as humanly possible, the next stop, Langkawi, was a stark difference. We traded in city streets for islands, oceans, and, of course, monkeys.
As with any other relaxing day in paradise, my husband would go decide to feed the monkeys, which anywhere in the entire world is always the only sign that's ever written. So, after giving a monkey a pear, now, wow, come on, surrounded by at least 8 checking each other's butts on our 1-hour beach day. Thank you, Tim.
Oh, look at this. Right into the backpack.
Uh-oh.
Trail map.
Seen that before. I'm surprised they don't want the water bottle.
Backpack.
Where's that guy? Oh, he's over there. We can't say thanks enough to my parents for flying to the other side of the world and sharing this piece of the journey with us. After 4 months on the road, we finally got to see family again, and even though we were in foreign cities, it sure felt like home. I just used the squatty potty next to the Swarovski crystal store because when in Malaysia.
Are you ready for your panorama? This is the virtual experience. You are going to experience this right now.
With us.
You might not guess it from the background behind me, but I'm actually at the Batu Caves today. It's conveniently located right next to the highway. So tell me about these pigeons.
Oh, go run over and get these little kids.
Here, you do it. It's creepy when a guy does it.
Yeah, I guess that's true.
Well, we're taking our time right now, getting all those classic pictures.
Getting all hot and sweaty.
Getting all hot and sweaty. I'm just anticipating all those stairs right now. Look at them. Gonna be attacking that hill. So Allison has issued a challenge. We're both gonna run as far as possible up the stairs before we stop and see who can make it farther. It's competitive nature of it. It was a great idea. That's fun.
Does that sound like an idea I would have? Okay, we need to set some ground rules. Is it speed or
distance.
Yeah, you have to keep a speed above a normal walk-on.
Okay. And then neither of us are gonna make it all the way. So is it just like who?
Well, that's kind of setting your standards pretty well. Okay, and then if I'm lagging, then you can take this pole and keep running. All right.
You ready to be embarrassed on camera?
The entire time. Here we go. 1, 2. Oh, look at this. I could probably talk this whole time I'm coming up here. Wow, Allison sure is far back.
I can't do double time.
Wow, that's really focused. That's really getting a glimpse. Oh. And I think this race is over before. Oh, God. 1. No, you. But I'm winning.
Wait, there's a monkey.
Wait, there's a monkey. This isn't fair. Come here. We're all friends. Get up here. So first off, we're out of breath and sweaty. It's because there were a lot of stairs.
Stairs.
In the sun, too. Sun and stairs. Allison made me run them. What's next on the cave tour?
Dark cave.
Can I get some complete sentences?
Next stop, cave tour, dark cave. Downstairs. Ring.
What do you hope that the dark cave holds for you?
A little dark, a little smelly, a little claustrophobic. We have hard hats? We haven't had hard hats yet. Oh my gosh, this one is gonna be a scary one. Thank you. That's for him? All right.
Thank you. Nope. Completely wrong.
Let's do this. How many do we have? 200,000 bats living in this cave. That'll be interesting. That wasn't. Oh, I just got pooped on.
Turn off my lights and let's see how dark it is right now. Yes, it is pretty dark, so you can see why this place is called a dark cave. It's not the most creative name we have, but it's the best description over here. Now, if you try and close your eyes and open your eyes again, yes, if you wave your hands around in front of your eyes, same again.
Oh my god.
So you can all switch on the lights again. Okay.
That was awesome. So I wish we did on the previous.
Yeah, that was intense. Dark cave was awesome.
Dark cave was awesome. That trumped the rest of us for me.
It's nice to get out of the sun too, but the cave itself is nice. Everything we're seeing, apparently everywhere in the world, is up about 200 stairs. We've been training across the whole world for the mountains of New Zealand. We're coming for you.